data types and variables in R. Let's look at this basic example, the code below. So there's three components here. The data type int, that specifies that this is an integer. The variable a is what we're naming it, the assignment. And that assignment is saying is that equals sign, and the value is 5. So we're saying that the variable a is essentially equal to 5. It's denoted as 5, and it's an integer. Now there's a variety of data types that R can accept and read, and they go from simple to complex. So the most simplistic are logical. They're Boolean, they are only true and false. The second type is numeric. So it can be any type of number, including decimals. Integers are explicit, so they cannot include decimals. You also have complex numbers, which can have a value, as well as things like imaginary numbers. There are also characters and strings. So names are a perfect example. And then R can also store raw data, including things such as byte files. Variables are logical names for pieces of data. Now they're used to store data, and these values can be changed. Now the name we give to a variable is called an identifier, and it has to be unique. Now there are 3 rules for defining variable names. The first is that it can consist of letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. The second is that it should begin with a letter or a period. Now, if it starts with a period, then it cannot be followed by a digit. Rule of thumb in the field, though, says that we should always start with a letter or word. Lastly, reserved words in R cannot be used as identifiers. Now, what does this mean? Well, it means that there's certain features and functions within R that are intrinsically built in. So I can't name something sum since there's a summary function within R.